A lot of my patients ask me the type of exercises they should do to boost their testosterone or build muscle or to improve their metabolism. Today we are diving into powerful and natural way to boost your testosterone level through exercise. First, let's talk about why testosterone is so important. Testosterone is the key hormone for both men and women, playing a crucial role in various aspects of your health. It influences muscle growth, energy level, fat distribution, bone density, mood regulation, and even sex drive. As we age, our testosterone level can naturally decline, starting as early as our late 20s. However, the good news is that exercise can help counteract this decline. Research shows that higher testosterone levels are associated with better physical performance, improved mood, and increased motivation. So if you are looking to feel your very best and maintain your health and physique, focusing on testosterone boosting exercise is a great strategy. Now let's explore the best type of exercises for boosting testosterone level naturally. First up we have is resistance training. Weightlifting and strength training are among the most effective way to increase the testosterone level. Compound movement like squats, deadlift, bench press, and pull-ups engages multiple muscle groups, leading to significant hormonal response. Studies shows that heavy lifting, particularly with lower reps like 6 to 8, can lead to greater testosterone spike post-workout. So don't be afraid to challenge yourself with heavier weights. Next, let's talk about HIIT or high intensity interval training. This type of workouts alternate between intense bursts of activity and short rest period. Research suggests that HIIT workout can be extremely effective at boosting testosterone level. It not only helps burn fat but also stimulates body's hormone more effectively than steady state cardio. How should you structure your workout for maximum testosterone benefit? Let's break it down. For resistance training, aim for 3 to 5 sets of 6 to 12 reps. This rep range is effective for building both strength and muscle mass, which can help in boosting testosterone level. For HIIT, a common approach is to do 20 to 30 seconds of maximum effort followed by 10 to 30 seconds of rest, repeating this for about 15 to 30 minutes. The key is really to push yourself during these bursts. When it comes to the rest, take 1 to 2 minutes of rest between the set during the resistance training. This allows your muscle to recover while maintaining intensity for the next set. During HIIT workout, keep your rest period short, around 10 to 30 seconds, to keep your heart rate elevated and maximize the hormone response. Now that we have covered the basics, here are some extra tips to further boost your testosterone through exercise. Number 1, consistency is the key. Make sure to stick to a regular workout routine. Aim for at least 3 to 4 strength training sessions per week, combined with HIIT workouts. Consistency is crucial for seeing results and reaping the benefit of increased testosterone. Number 2, focus on form. Prioritize proper form to avoid injuries and to get the most out of each exercise. Good technique ensures that you are effectively targeting the right muscle. If you are unsure about your form, consider working with a trainer to help you out. Number 3, include recovery days. Don't forget to incorporate rest and recovery days into your routine. Overtraining can lead to drop in testosterone level, so listen to your body and allow it to recover. Recovery is just as important as workout themselves. Number 4, stay hydrated and eat well. Nutrition plays a significant role in hormone level. Make sure you are eating a balanced diet rich in healthy fat, protein, and plenty of vegetable. Food like avocado, nuts, lean meat, and leafy green can help support testosterone production. Number 5, get enough sleep. Don't underestimate the power of good night's sleep. Poor sleep quality can negatively impact your testosterone level. Aim for good 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to recover and balance the hormone levels. So let's recap. To naturally boost the testosterone through exercise, focus on resistance training with 3 to 5 sets of 6 to 12 reps and incorporate HIIT workout with short rest period. Remember, consistency, proper form, balanced diet, and adequate recovery are essential for maximizing your results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more fitness and health tips.